With just your trusty Google Translate app, ChatGPT, and a dash of creative thinking, you can make a staggering $350 an hour with the secret 5-step strategy we're about to reveal today. Yes, you heard that correctly. It's time to turn your ordinary computer or smartphone into a money-making ATM by working smarter, not harder. So relax, put your feet up, and prepare to learn how to do this. Start by identifying the most lucrative giveaways and affiliate offers that will have you ranking in the dough in no time. But it's not just about finding the right offers, you also need to know how to promote them effectively. This is where Google Translate comes in. With this potent tool at your disposal, you can create high-quality content in multiple languages and reach a wide audience. Step 1. Open Google Translate to start making money. Open your browser and search for Google Translate. Once you've done that, you should see this section at the very top right here. We can translate our text right away using this, but we won't get the full feature of this powerful tool, so I want you to click on Open in Google Translate right here and then follow the instructions. Step 2. Let's move on to our second incredible tool, Ready ChatGPT, a conversational platform powered by AI that is trained by OpenAI and can answer questions intelligently. With just one click of the Try ChatGPT button, you can quickly produce an original article in a different language for your projects, saving you time. So go ahead and log in or create a new account right away so we can benefit from this advanced technology. Step 3. Visit CPA Grip and create a free account. A CPA affiliate network called CPA Grip offers some of the best cost per action, CPA, and pays per download, PPD, items on the market right now. This third tool enables us to promote a service or an offer and generate passive income. That's all there is to it, and the best part is that most people don't actually have to pay anything for you to make money by promoting. For instance, in this offer, all you have to do is install an app on your phone, and you'll be paid when someone else does the same. This is a truly amazing way to create passive income. Step 4. Let's use ChatGPT to ask for a 500-word essay to be written in Spanish about the top 10 reasons to buy the iPhone 14 now that we have the deal to advertise. After ChatGPT has done its magic, let's ask ChatGPT to create a call to action, CTA, from a Spanish tip we can use to promote our giveaway offer and further encourage people to click on our link. You want the CTA to say something like click this link and get a chance to win a brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max today, but in Spanish. Now that we have a 500-word article and our call to action, it's time to put it all together. Head over to Google Docs and simply copy and paste the article from ChatGPT and our call to action from Google Translate. That's all there is to it. Double check that the CTA that ChatGPT wrote in Spanish is accurate. Step 5. To reach as many people as possible, we're going to take our Google Docs file that we created using ChatGPT in Google Translate and download it as a PDF file. Doing this will ensure that people can easily access the file that we created as it is viewable on any device. By doing this, we can reach as many people as possible. To get thousands of views internationally, we need a website capable of doing so, which is why we'll use slideshare.net. Additionally, SlideShare has a user base of more than 70 million people. SlideShare also seamlessly integrates with other platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter, which is to our advantage. If we look at some of the content already on SlideShare, we see that there are a ton of people posting content recently that has gotten thousands of views already. To sum up, SlideShare has 70 million users, and if even just one of those users clicks, you get paid. Affiliate CPA marketing can be quite profitable. From the comfort of our own homes, with the correct tools at our disposal and business, we may generate a remarkable passive income. For example, optimizing our SlideShare account can be quite beneficial in this regard. SlideShare is only one avenue for driving traffic. We can also use other social media platforms that connect with SlideShare like LinkedIn and Twitter forums and other communities to spread the word of the offers we're promoting by sharing helpful content. Furthermore, SlideShare is only one avenue for driving traffic. We can also take advantage of other social media platforms that connect with SlideShare like YouTube. Google Translate is an AI-powered tool that may help us better comprehend foreign dialogues so that we can create successful promotional content for each individual audience. ChatGPT is another helpful tool for exploring opportunities to market offers in foreign languages. This platform offers longer-form, high-quality content in a variety of languages that may be leveraged to leverage our advertising efforts even more. With the help of Google Translate, ChatGPT, and CPAGrip.com, we can efficiently market a variety of offers on high-authority websites like SlideShare in a number of different languages and profit from each successful action that users take. Thanks for tuning into this wild trick of earning money, and be sure to stay tuned for more exciting content from us in the future.